You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to convert multiple Python lists into a single data frame using Python pandas. This data frame is a tabular structure that stores 3 records and has 4 fields. It means data frame has 3 rows and 4 columns. Each field is stored in a Python list. We will combine all 4 lists into a single data frame. Let's start coding. I have already installed Python pandas. My Python version is 3.7 and I am using Anaconda Spider as an editor. This is Spider editor. In first line, we are going to import Python pandas HPD. Here PD is a label. Next, we will create 3 Python lists. Each list has 4 elements and we will store the records of 4 employees in these 3 lists. The name of list are name, age and job. Next, print all 3 lists and run the program. In output window, it is showing all 3 Python lists where each list has 4 elements. Next, we will use zip function to merge all these 3 Python lists into a single object. This zip object is in compressed form, so we cannot directly print this object. When we run the program, it will show only the address of zip object. For displaying the elements stored in zip object, we will have to convert this zip object into any Python structure. Here we are converting zip object into a list, and next we will print this new converted zip object list and run the program. In output window, it is showing the merged list. This list has 4 sublists and each sublist has 3 elements. It means each sublist is showing a record of an employee. Next, we will convert this list into a data frame by using Python pandas data frame function. In next line, we will write df equal to pd dot data frame. Then in parentheses, we will write the object z, that is a Python list. Next, print the newly created data frame df and run the program. In output window, it is showing a tabular structure that has 4 rows and 3 columns. This data frame has no column labeling. So next we will label each column with a name. In data frame function, we will add another parameter columns equal to, and next in bracket we will write the name of all 3 columns that are name, age and job. After adding column names, again print the data frame and run the program. Now the data frame is showing columns names. Next, we will remove the index of each record. We can also use index values 0, 1, 2 as a primary key, but First, we will learn how to remove these indexes. For this, we will use two string function of Dataframe and pass index equal to false as an argument, and again run the program. Now it is showing Dataframe without any index value. Next, we will learn how to add a user-defined primary key in place of index value in this Dataframe. There is no need of two string function, so we will remove it. Next, I will create a Python list that's name is id that store for primary key. Each key will show the unique record of the Dataframe. Next, add third parameter in Dataframe function, that is index. Index equal to id, where id represent primary key Python list. Next, again run the program. This is the complete Dataframe with all four primary keys and labels. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel.